In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a under maintenance page on your Wix website. This is actually super easy to do, and the first thing you have to do is you have to log in to your Wix account and then go to the editor page of Wix. So don't go to the ADI, go to the classic editor, and then you'll be on this page with the panel on the left. Then go to pages right here. And then what you want to do, you want to add a page and then select blank page. There we go. This is how it looks right now. And then we can add text. So pick text, add heading. So we can make this bigger, just customize it however you want. Then do under maintenance, just type that in. There we go, make it a little bit bigger. So now people, so make sure it looks good. So this is just very basic, but now people know that the website is under maintenance. And then this next step is go to pages, and then this is the new page. We can rename it by double tap. So name it maintenance, just like that, done. And then you want to go to the dots and then hit set as homepage. And now everyone who visits the website, because we set it to homepage, will launch on this page. So now they can see that it's under maintenance. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.